Isn't this just the coolest thing ever? Oh my god, look at that. And then there's his face. Can you guys kind of see it? Look. Skull. And then his face. Like, can you see that? Oh my god, that's so cool. So I am reading this book. Well, I actually just finished reading. It's amazing. It's Alexander McQueen, Savage Beauty. It is definitely a great read if you do love fashion. I fell in love with it. I thank my art teacher for lending it to me just to get a good, like, feel of fashion and what true designers are. Oh my god, Alexander McQueen was a true genius. I've known it, but after reading this book, my gosh, he will always be a legend. So thank you, Alexander McQueen. May you continue to rest in peace, and your like amazing fashion will always live on. Wow, look at that structure. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, I just had to share this with everyone. Alright, take care. Bye bye.